Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you today how to make a simple craft since we're talking about farm animals and we're going to make a sheep. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. You can use a piece of black paper. If you don't have black paper, you can use a different color, but we need it to be a different color than white. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the body of your sheep in a circle. Take your paper. Maybe your mom or brother or sister can help you, or your dad. Um, you can trace it from a plate, or you can even use a paper plate of a different, like a small paper plate of a different color. So you do the body. Then you need to cut out an oval for the head. Be any size, however you make it work. And that's actually a little too big. Okay, and then some ears. So I'm just going to take my paper. I'm going to fold it in half and make two matching ears. Kind of an oval, whatever shape. And then take your paper and make two legs. In this sheep here that I made, I have fat legs. In this other one that I'm going to show you, I have skinny legs. So whatever kind of legs you want for your sheep. 1, 2, and then put them aside. Okay, the part that's going to be fun for you is making the wool for your sheep. That you're going to take a piece of white paper. And I have a big piece here. I started with here. And just start ripping little pieces of paper using your pincher fingers to rip the paper. Just keep ripping. They can be big, they can be little, all different sizes. And then we're going to start gluing. Okay, so once you have a pile of ripped paper, we're going to start gluing it together. So put the body on the paper, take your glue stick, rub your glue stick all over the black or whatever color paper or paper plate that you have. And then you're going to start gluing them on. Just laying them all over the body. You can overlap them if you need to when you're doing it. Sometimes you might need a little extra glue on it. So you can put a little glue on the paper and then put it on top. The more you put on, the fluffier your sheep is going to be. So let's just do this real quick. So I should have done this ahead of time so I could show you how to do the body part. Okay, and then once you have all your pieces on, I don't have them all over like I did on this one, you're going to take your head and you're going to put some glue on the back of it and then put it in the middle. Actually, you need a little more body on here so you can see it. I'm going to cover up the okay. Once you have that on there, you're going to put glue on the back of the head, put it in the middle, kind of towards, well, not in the middle, kind of towards the top. Get your ears, put a little glue on your ear, and put it on your sheep. Anywhere towards the top that you think an ear could go. Then your legs, you're going to glue onto the bottom of your sheep. In the back or the front, whatever is easier for you. Put a little glue on. And then your eyes you're going to make with, I don't have googly eyes, so I had to use paper. If you have googly eyes, the googly eyes would actually be really cute on it. But if you don't, have somebody help you cut 2 circles out of white paper, glue them on, And then use a black crayon, a black pen or marker to give them some eyeballs. And then when you're done, you have a sheep. Now you can see my two sheep look a little bit different. This one needs a little more wool on it than this one does. Anyway, have fun making your sheep. Bah, bah. Okay, and maybe you can show us what you end up making. Okay, bye-bye, guys.